Hello, welcome to our lesson for today. We are going to read chapter 1 of our unit chapter book. The title of our chapter is Living Things and Cells. So remember that word cells. That was one of our vocabulary words for this unit. Let's refresh. What are all living things made up of? So me, you, our pets, animals, plants, these are all living things. What are they made up of? Plastic, cells, or candy? Touch or say your answer. Cells. Okay, all living things are made up of cells. Let's read more about cells. Mr. Kinder is Todd's science teacher. Mr. Kinder will teach the class about living things. They will learn how people, animals, and plants are alike. Right, so here's Mr. Kinder. Here's Todd. They're going to learn about how people, animals, and plants are alike. Remember, alike means the same in some way. Mr. Kinder tells the class that people are like animals. People are like plants too. People, animals, and plants all have cells. Okay, so that's how people, animals, and plants are alike. We are all made up of cells. Mr. Kinder tells the class about cells. Cells are part of every living thing. Cells are too small to see. Okay, so here's Todd thinking about cells. Cells are too small for us to see. How could we see cells? What could we use to help us see cells? Could we use a kite, a vacuum, or a microscope? Touch or say your answer. The tool that we could use to see cells would be a microscope. Microscopes make very small things appear larger so that we can see what they look like. There are many types of cells. Cells have different jobs. All of the cells must work together. Okay, so this picture shows we have many different types of cells. Okay, we have skin cells that make up our skin. We have muscle cells that make up our muscles. We have blood cells for all of the blood inside of us. Okay, there are all different kinds of cells, and they need to work together. There are cells in Todd's body. There are cells in the hamster. There are cells in the class plant. Okay, so this shows you a close-up of what the cell in the hamster looks like and what the cells in the class plant look like. As you can see, they're a little bit different. So our cells aren't the same as plant cells, but we are all still made up of cells. What have we learned? Living things are made up of cells. Cells are very small. There are many types of cells, and cells have different jobs. All right, now let's do a little bit of a quiz. So I want you to answer at home by touching or saying your answer out loud. Which is made up of cells? A snake, a comb, or a t-shirt? Touch or say your answer. A snake. Okay, a snake is an animal, it's a living thing, and it is made up of cells. Which is made up of cells? A computer, the sun, or you and I? Touch or say your answer. You and I are living things, and we are made up of cells. Okay, let's do another one. Which is made up of cells? A cell phone, a tree, or sunglasses? Which one is a living thing made up of cells? Touch or say your answer. A tree. All trees are plants, and plants are living things that are made up of cells. Okay, one more. Which is made up of cells? A pencil, a cup, or a dog? Touch or say your answer. A dog. All dogs are made up of cells. Okay, good job, everyone. See if you can spot other things in your home or outside of your home that are made up of cells.